ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Sembut minti rang ba kajala ba preston tensong ulo ong ba Jingïakhih jong MLA ka khu nyau trap National Awakening Movement uba Adelbert nongrom kadai tang ka drama Saiñpyrthei ha ka Jingïakhih bigila pasai kubor ba preston lo ong ba kimat ki ba Adelbert ulapen pau Pyrthei kidai ki kam ki ba sorkar jala kala dep bot den bat kidai ru kimat ki bamla setia ban chule no mardor
Tapi balik kepada kami ketin political drama. Nah, ngasih orbit kadai ka political drama. Tapi itu kan ya interpret you use the other word, but I'm using the word political drama, which I personally feel it is not fair. This is at all not fair. All these issues, whatever mentioned by Adelbert, government has taken the initiative. But if you expect that it can be done tomorrow or the after tomorrow, I think nobody can just give you the assurance like that. But we are on it. More footing we are on it. We are serious about it. So I think people, they know that. The public know. We hardly sleep also. We are so busy. We keep working. So if you feel that, well, solution can be met within 1 month, within 2 months, or within 1 year's time, I think that is totally wrong. It can never happen that way. So because we need to really go into the detail, the plus, the minus, up, down, left, right. I mean, these are the things which you cannot just do overnight over there.